Hey y'all, it's Ashley again, and today we are using some Hello Bluebird stamp sets. We're using Little Painters, Easter Egg Hunt, and Spring Gathering. And I just stamped all of my images on one sheet of paper and then went in with my Ahuhu and Copic markers to color in the images. This little lamb, I thought it was super cute, and I just ended up going in with some light gray to put on to the white just to give it a little depth to it, and then came in with some nice kind of apricot color for his skin. So then I'm just coming in with some nice spring colors for the rest of the images. So I will play some music while you guys watch me color. Now here are all the images colored, and I'm just going to take the coordinating dies and put them on the images and then run them through my die cut machine. And here they all are, just little cute pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and ink blend on my backdrops using my Distress inks. I come in with Scattered Straw first and just go across the bottom of where the skyline is going to be. And then I come in with Spun Sugar, which is kind of a lighter pink, and blend that in with the Scattered Straw. And then I come in with Evergreen Bough at the top. And then I had a second panel just for the grass, so that way it could be a popped up piece and have a little bit of dimension, and have the same stitch lines on the outside of the rectangle. So I'm just going to attach my grass piece and then come in with each of my little bunnies and the paint cans and eggs and things and attach them down so that I can kind of make a little spring scene. And I'm using dimensionals on some of them, and then others I am attaching with just liquid glue straight to the card so that there's some popped up and some flat onto the card. I added little bows to the bunnies and bow ties, and then added the little chicks and flowers in. And I had a couple pieces left over, but I can use those on another card. So here I'm trying to decide which sentiment to go with. I ended up just going with a very simple Happy Easter. And I cut that out, and then I'm going to come in with my sentiment strips from My Favorite Things and trim that out. And it has flagged ends, but I decided I didn't want that. So I ended up cutting off the ends of the sentiment and then just attaching it with foam adhesive. Then I came in and put Wink of Stella to give it some shimmer and shine on different elements. Then I came back in and did little pink cheeks on each of the bunnies and the lamb, and then added some cute white details with my white Jelly Roll pen. So I'm just going to attach that flat to my card using some liquid adhesive. And then I'm going to come in with some iridescent sequins from Dries. I got these at Simon Says Stamp. So that is the card for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.